we are dealing with. See, this is our first layer color, you see me? Put on the base here, we find the problem them, which find the problem them upon it. You understand? So we do it with the video. See me, sir? Base up it. Body it up. So you see how we part, and then we have to carry it from mountain. If you part them, then the bubbles rise up. And then in there, get rid of them. I call them Cena, color call them Cena. I don't know, old school, so I don't know the antique style we are doing and look up. Pumpy thing, you see me? Factory thing. Yeah, you know, I want them and ask you see it, and that's what I deal with the code at all time, you understand? Big fat gun, spray gun in the hand, you see it? Matic walk with enough time, the Babylon can't take it, you see me? Yeah, they're gonna shoot up all car and make it come clean and pretty.